5 Best Websites for Freelancers in 2024. Notion. Notion is an all-in-one workspace that's perfect for freelancers who need to manage their tasks, projects, and notes in one place. It offers a flexible interface where you can create to-do lists, track your progress, and collaborate with clients. With its powerful integration capabilities, Notion allows you to streamline your workflow and stay organized. Layer enhances your Google Sheets or Excel experience by enabling seamless collaboration, version control, and advanced data management. Freelancers who handle complex data and need to collaborate with others in real time will find Layer indispensable for staying on top of their work. It also has many functions for visualizing the project. Pictochart. Visual content is key for many freelancers, especially those in marketing and design. Pictochart allows you to create stunning infographics, presentations, and reports without any design skills. Its user-friendly interface and vast template library make it easy to produce professional visuals that will impress your clients and boost your portfolio. Google Keep. For freelancers who need a simple yet effective note-taking tool, Google Keep is a top choice. It allows you to capture ideas, create checklists, and set reminders quickly. Milanote is the ultimate tool for creative freelancers. It's designed for brainstorming, mood boarding, and organizing creative projects. With Milanote, you can visually map out your ideas, gather inspiration, and collaborate with clients or team members in a visually appealing workspace. It's perfect for designers, writers, and anyone who needs a visual approach to project management. These 5 platforms each bring something unique to the table, helping freelancers manage their work more efficiently and creatively in 2024.